Hi, welcome to my channel. I have very exciting news. I got Peachybbies slime. Oh my god, thank you to my dad. He got all of this for me. We have alien axolotl jelly, which I'm definitely going to open. We're going to open all of these actually. We have magic Boba. We have got rainbow axolotl. We have baby axolotl. We have got axolotl in space. And we have got emo axolotl. This is personally one of my favorites. For now. I have never got Peachybbies slime before. We have lots of these. We've got sticky fix. Definitely do not eat. I got a mochi. And I think I got a funky card. I got a bracelet. And I got a giant peach squishy. Now, who doesn't like squishies? It looks like a gyat. Oh, it's so satisfying. Okay. Comment down below which one shall we open. We got this one. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one. We have this one. Personally, one of my second favorite. And this one. Okay, which one shall we have? Let's open the alien one first. We'll save the best two for last. And I think you know both of them. Okay, let me get my chair. Okay, we have this. But I'm just going to open this one first, just in case. I forgot I had scissors. How do you open these? Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh, yay. We got stickers. A bracelet that says, slime is the mood. I love that. I love slime. Oh, and I got a mochi. So ugly. We got sticky spray. And my giant peach again. We got whatever this is. I'm gonna see. Thank you. Shout out to Peachybbies and my dad for buying me all of these slimes. It's very expensive actually. I do not know which ones go which. Well, I know the magic Boba has this because it's Boba, obviously. Yeah. I'm going to be confused because I do not know which one. Comment down below what this is. I think this is magic Boba, so I'll leave it to it. Now we're gonna open alien axolotl first. Oh. This looks satisfying. It's like a jelly. It smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna touch it now. It's kind of sticky. Guys, did I have to put sticky spray first? I don't think so. Nobody told me to. Except for my friend. I got two friends, they both got Peachybbies slime, but they only got two. I got the most. I got a whole bundle. Oh my god, it's so soft. Oh my god, I love the sound it made. It is so satisfying. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I think I have Binsu texture, but I am not going to do it because I love Binsu. I actually never tried Binsu before. I mean texture. I'm not eating it. Oh my goodness, it's so satisfying. Let's put it on the table. Oh my god, look, alien charms. Ah, so sticky. I think I found 2 charms. Oh, there's an axolotl. Yes. Ah, so sticky. Oh, it's so cute. I think I found another one. Wait, no, this is... Oh, it's a spaceship. Can't take it out. Don't mind. I'm gonna put a bit of sticky fix because it's kind of... I did not mean to do that. I got some stick spray on it, you know? Stuck it. Oh, it's so cute. I am obsessed with it. Oh no, Axelottle. Mix in with it. Ah. Oh my god. For those who are jealous, just go to Peachybbies slime. Although, even though it's quite expensive. I got this for. The bundle was like, maybe like 30, 50 pounds. And the separate one was like 13, so. I'm bad at math, so you calculate that. And I won't. I'm too lazy. I love slime. I'm obsessed with it. Let's put it back. Oh my god, silly me. Put the lid back on, Emma. Okay, which one? Let's open Baby Axelottle. Okay, I have to go with the giant Peachybbies. It's too squishy. He doesn't like squish. What texture is this? I have no idea. I want to feel it so bad. Right. 3, 2, 1. It's kind of rough. This does not quite feel like slime. But it is. It smells like cotton candy. This is hard slime. I like it. I like any slime. I found the axolotl. It's so cute. It's an axolotl. Have you actually seen a real axolotl in real life? I really want to. Let's get it out. Get it out. Come out, come out, come out. Mr. Slime, come out. You can't get all of it out. Oh god, it's so sticky. It's so sticky. Sticky spray, help me. so sticky. Oh, I have to mix it? Okay. Let's get this axolotl out so it won't get killed. What texture is this? Can you hear it? It's so good. Oopsie. We'll tidy up that later. So sticky. Come on, wash. Okay. First, you come with me to wash my hands. Then we'll open more slimes. Have like quite a few more to go. We're in the downstairs toilet. Very small. Very non-obvious. Rincy rincy. Wipe. Now let's go for more slime. Slime! Okay, we've done this one. Too sticky. I think this is powder slime. Okay, let's open Axelottle in space. Yippee! Whoa, look. Ooh, looky. I think this is powder slime. Oh my god, let me clean you up. I'm not cleaning you up, too lazy. Okay, now let's mix it. Tell me what textures this is. I think it's cloud dough, but I'm not an expert of slime, so slime experts, please tell me what it is. Oh, it smells so good. I wish I could eat it. It's like yummy, yum, yum. Just pour it out. Oopsie. Okay. Whoa. This is, okay, this is definitely butter slime or cloud dough. I forget. I feel like it has sugar in it. Does it have sugar in it? I don't know. How does this slime fit into the container? So much. I can't lie, this is one of the coolest slimes I have ever seen. I love slime. I used to have like a slime bundle, not Peachybbies, which was very stinky and non-professional, and it gets dried up quickly. Does Peachybbies slime get dried up quickly? I don't think so. I hope not. Go inside, go inside, go inside the Peachybbies slime. I definitely made it bigger. Oh goodness. Now we have 3 more to go. And we're gonna do, let's wipe my hands. Then, let's go to Rainbow Axelottle. Lid. Oh, this is nice. Where's the Axelottle? Oh, we have 3 charms right now. We have a cloud and naughty cloud. We have a glitter rainbow And where's the axolotl? There's the axolotl. Silly. I think this is butter slime or cloud dust slime. Why is it so hard? It's not hard. It's hard to remember what slime it, what type of slime it is. Smells like blueberry. I had a blueberry. This is literally so satisfying. I wasn't talking so much, sorry. It was too satisfying, I can't stop. Wait, I'm gonna make a pizza. Toppings. Actually, I'm not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. 爸爸要叉電啊！你個電話我未拍完啊，但係未啊，我未拍完啊。I just talked to my dad. It's fine, no worries. Huh? One sec. Okay, thank you, Papa. Okay. 1 second. Okay, you guys here with me? I am so sorry. This is a bit hard to control. I am so sorry. Guys, I'm just going to turn the phone down first. Does that work? No, it doesn't. I'm so sorry. Okay, sorry, I do not know what to do. Yes, we did it. Now, we have 2 more slimes. And the video is going to end. But, who cares? We have Binsu slime, which is Axelottle. And that is one of my favorites. And that one, I haven't opened it yet. But, I think it's going to be one of my favorites. So sticky. Oh my god, some stuff is literally stuck to the lid. I have to get it off. Oh, there's a bone. I like bones. Let's find the Axelottle mission. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Oh goodness. Can you see me? No, you can't. Unfortunately, so unfortunate. Oh, now you can't see it, definitely. I have found the Axelottle, which is stuck in Binsu. I am definitely not putting on my table, so I'm definitely not putting it on my table. I am definitely not putting it on my table, so a bit messy. Now Oh, this. I'm gonna. You can see the slime now. Great. Of course. Oh my goodness. This is literally so satisfying. It's a bit rough though. Do not want to get cut. Oh, this is ever so satisfying. Okay. Who doesn't like Binsu slime? My parents. They hate slime. Why? Just why? Look at it. That is the most satisfying thing I ever seen. Oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, let's get it out. Oh, this is sticky. Oh, it's sticky. Oh, it's sticky. Very sticky. But also very mushy. Yeah. He just want mushy stuff. Oh yeah, have you seen the channel Mushikins? Oh, I love it. I want to buy a tabby squishy now. I heard that you can make tabby squishies at home. Is that right, guys? Whoever people who is watching this and can make tabby squishies, can you make one for me, please? I love tabby squishies. Okay, that's too sticky. I'm gonna wipe my hands on something. There we go. Last one. Oh no, that's sad. We need props. And it's Magic Boba. I love Magic Boba. What's wrong with that? Ooh. Oh, this clear slime. Oh, I love clear slime. This is definitely my favorite slime so far. I am just obsessed with it. It's like metallic. Okay, now we have to put this in. Actually, I'm not gonna do it because I'm gonna waste it on something else. Oh, fine, I'll do it for you guys. Gotta get all of it. Okay. I gotta play with it a bit, obviously. I'm not sure what texture this is. People who have Magic Boba, please tell me. Especially my friend who has Magic Boba. No. Oh, where did my bead go? There you are. Put more. And let's mix. Okay, let's take it out now. Oh my god, I love the color. It's like metallic. Oh, I didn't do a bubble. Now I did. So satisfying, right? Oh, not again. Who has magic boba? Comment down below, because it's literally my favorite. And this, I'm just gonna play with it for the rest of the video, if you want. Ooh, look at this. It's a large amount of slime. Ooh, did you hear that? It's so satisfying. Okay, it's almost the end of my video. So I gotta get this back in the pot, which is harder than you think. Oh no, it's running out of space. Get in there. Oh no. I forgot. Put stuff in it. Of course I can. We have a girl magic over here. And we shall put it back in it. Too much. Oh no. Don't tell my friend I played with this slime. And I'm giving a little bit to her. Because I know how much she likes slime. And I know how much she wants Peachy Baby slime. Aww. Actually, I'm not giving her the charm. I'm not giving her the beads. I'm not trying to be mean. I'm not trying to get... I don't want to give her... Okay, one Boba seed, that's fine. But more than one Boba seed, not fine. Who doesn't like Boba? I don't judge if you're a hater. I'd say I really judge. I'm just joking. Now, thanks for watching my channel. Like and subscribe and click the bell button down below. Have a nice day or have a nice night. Don't know where you are.